putting back on my gloves, making the trek back home. I just cleaned off my car a little bit. That just helped Jean put her car in order so she could leave. Don't believe me, there I am. It's me. And this is monstrous. Yeah, that's what we do. Holla at your boy, Michigan. There go where her car was. She's left for work already. This is where I walked. You can barely see it because it's still 0 dark 30. But yeah, Michigan life, you know what I mean? I'm just walking back in my footprints. Because nobody else is coming out in this except me. Hot boy. So yeah. And wish I could make it a little brighter. Maybe I can. Take off my gloves. Which you know, yeah, not worth it. These gloves back on. Alright. I guess one other person tried. I guess what they got here. I'm going back. They're like, forget this. So we the only ones coming out this type weather. Holla at your boy. Notice I keep flashing my face. Because if I freeze, you can be like, oh, this is what he last saw. Anyway. Think I'm gonna do it. Yeah. It's iced over. Try to get my keys out of my pocket. See me for a little bit. Whew. Safe and sound on the inside. It's Minion Boy reporting. Holla at your boy.